So the other day, I was having a conversation with a young lady who is thinking about a career change in 2020. And her question to me was, what exactly do real estate agents do to make money? Like, what specific activities are they doing to have that big smile next to a house and with a sold sign? Hi, I'm Katina Willis. Today, I will give you my top 5 productivity actions that real estate agents take in order to build their business, to gain clients, and to sell. Stay tuned. This top 5 list, I am going to tell you the activities from least difficult to most difficult. So let's get started. Number 5, talk to family and friends. Talk to former classmates or former business associates. Just have a real estate conversation. Ask them, just bring up anything and ask, what was your experience like when you purchased your home, or have you ever purchased a home? Something that simple can bring business to you. Number 4, social media. Believe it or not, social media is one of the most effective ways to gain business today. I mean, it is literally one conversation with thousands of people, and you can do it in a quick instant. So one example of social media, honestly, an easy way to get a conversation started about real estate. Do one of those A, B, C, D, or 1, 2, 3, 4 and post 4 different types of houses. Simply ask people which one do they like best. If they had money to buy anything in the world, something that simple could lead to business for you. Number 3, videos. All right, I know everybody is not a social bunny, and some people get camera shy really quick. Believe it or not, I used to be a shy person, but once you study your craft and you have so much knowledge and information, you want to share it with the world. But even better than that, if you are new to real estate, you could simply record yourself and start blogging just to say how your day is going, what activities you're doing when you are going to visit a house or show a buyer. Let the world know. Number 2, you preview houses, and you can easily become the neighborhood realtor if you door knock and get to know enough neighbors in one subdivision. Hey, drum roll for number 1. The very best but most challenging way for real estate agents to get business is cold calling. Yes, get on those phones. I know a lot of people think agents just get all sorts of business from the internet and from websites and things like that. But nope, they put in a lot of hard work. Well, some of the agents who primarily work with a lot of sellers and list properties and market the homes, they hit the phones quite often, almost every day for a minimum of 3 hours. And we do hear a lot of no's, get a lot of phones slammed in our ears, but in the end, it's worth it. And 20 no's is just one step closer to a yes. So I'll go over that list one more time. Activity number 5, talk to friends, family, and former business associates. Number 4, make posts on social media. Simple posts, not aggressive posts or not begging for business or anything like that. Just start conversations about houses. Number 3, videos like this. Just show a video of yourself and your daily activities or something like that. Number 2, previewing houses. Yes, preview houses and knock on those doors. Talk to the neighbors, get to know them. You'll be surprised before you are known to everyone as the neighborhood realtor. And number 1, cold calling. Yes, pick up those phones, call people, and you could call the for sale by owners. Call the people who have their house up for sale. They are raising their hand saying, hey, I want to sell this house. So just call them, and again, don't put any pressure on them. Simply get to know them and have a conversation, and before you know it, they'll be signing your contract. So those are the daily activities in the day of the life of a realtor. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up, click like below, and if the information was valuable or you feel that someone you know needs to hear it, please share the video and comment in the video so that I'll be happy to answer any questions that you may have. And that is it for today. It is Katina Willis, your next level broker. All right. Thanks for watching. See you soon.